Hey guys, sorry if I haven't been making any videos lately. Just been more focused on school right now. But I'm gonna show you how to me solving a Rubik's Cube slowly. I figured there's so many speed cubing videos. Why not make one of normal speed? So I'm gonna mix it up in front of your eyes, and you can go ahead and fast forward if you don't want to watch me mix it up. But I'm just gonna mix it up real quick, and if my hand gets out of the camera a little bit, sorry about that. If this is not slow, then I do not know, but if you want, I could make a video of me solving it slowly, and I may do a 4x4. No, I'm not a speed cuber, but I am pretty fast for, being a beginner. So yeah, I guess you could call this a mix. I'm not going to remember this, so yeah. And I guess that's the mix. So now I'm going to solve it, and I don't think I'm going to put in any timer, but let's just see. So it's just slowly solving a Rubik's Cube, guys. I'm going to match the white first. You can tell it's mostly just doing the same algorithm every time. Sorry, I'm pretty far away from the camera, that's why I'm pulling it towards me. And another one. And this last one, I hate when they do that. And yeah, let's do this. Bring this on the other side. Okay, so now I've solved the whole bottom part. Now for the top. Okay. So let's match that up. Okay, so now I have that. And time to match up the corners for the third layer. And here's when we can basically start doing some more algorithms. It's just mostly doing the same algorithm. Okay, so now I have this solved. Now I can solve for these two corners. Another algorithm again. I'm not a speed cuber, guys, so. And then another one. And this should be our last algorithm until the solve. And yeah. So there you go, guys. That's just me solving a Rubik's Cube. So, thanks for watching, and hope this satisfied you.